Thinking about the things that we did. You did something. Shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down.
Hey guys, I'm in the market right now, about to get dinner. I'm gonna make some jerk chicken Alfredo. So I'm gonna record that for y'all and I'll see y'all when I get back. Okay y'all, so this is the noodles I'm gonna be getting for the pasta. Well, for the Alfredo, I'm just saying. Alright y'all, I'm trying to get this white cheddar cheese. Okay y'all, so I'm trying to figure out which jerk I'm gonna get for my chicken. They got honey. I had this before. I don't really like that one. It's just sweet. It's not really hot. Then they got mild and hot. So I think I'm gonna get the hot one. I'm leaving shop right now, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get home. Okay, the lighting in my kitchen is really bad, so I'm gonna give y'all what I got. I'm not feeling so good.
And I try to be strong. Put your words on your lips this time. And I'll be a say lying, cause no one can take it no more. I'm about to walk out the door.
I'm gonna start cooking now, and I'm also uploading my video. So yes, this is the reality of a content creator. So I'm doing both at the same time, but I'm gonna make some jerk chicken Alfredo. So y'all know I'm making jerk chicken Alfredo, and when we use jerk, it's already seasoned. You don't want to make it too soft. I'm just gonna put a little bit of my own seasoning. So
When you
first
gotta
I'm gonna
impress me, if the main goal is to undress me, that's the only thing that I'm addressing. At the Hollywood like you inventing. Stop talking to me, listen when I'm venting. I'm the one who mess up on your bedding. You're pointing fingers at me like I'm selfish. But you only call me when you're alone. And every time I take you back, I'm not afraid of the whole fact that you gon' leave away from home. And by the ending, I'm at like, what's the point of coming back? Damn bad, ain't it sad? I want something that can last. Oh, tattoos matching, make me snort while I'm laughing. Put me on your lap while we in the backseat. Black trunk over to the places we eat. I'ma make it better. Neck wet, like Pellegrino. I'ma make you shine, Johnny Vino, when I we know. We gon' make them
And we're gonna put
take you right up
a good amount of pepper.
We gon' spend the night, wake up praising cappuccinos. Open up in Vegas, then we honeymoon in Reno. Got me down bad, baby, feeding Filipino. Baby, don't distract me. And every time I take you back, I'm not afraid of the whole fact that you gon' leave away from home. And by the ending, I'm at like, what's the point of coming back?
And I'm just gonna turn on the sofa on like 6. So y'all, I'm just a jerk. I'm using. Everybody has some here, so I'm gonna use. I meant to get mild. I ended up getting hot. So we're just gonna use a little bit. Cause y'all, the mild one already be hot. So we're just gonna use a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna just get a tiny bit. Alright. That should be good. That's good.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up.
Just a little bit.
I just don't wanna leave you. Might just throw it
Add water to boil the noodles.
and secret. Both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. We both can play for tonight.
On high to boil the water. And I'll come back to y'all when I'm adding the noodles in the water. I'm gonna use 1.5 boxes of noodles. So as y'all can see, now all the water is out of the pan with the chicken. So now we're gonna make our sauce. Alright, so now I'm gonna make my own sauce. I don't use canned Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna make my own. So I'm about to show you. Cheese that I'm using, I have straight white cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. You can use Parmesan. You can use cheddar, whatever you want to use. But this is what I got. The cheese is what makes the sauce thicken up. And we're gonna use some butter too, though. A little bit of butter. This will make the sauce thicken up. Mixing thoroughly. You don't want the cheese to burn on the bottom. Cheese stuff on my sauce is a little too thin. This is just pork cheese. I'm gonna just add a little bit of this. The consistency. Well, I know some people like their Alfredo different. You might like your Alfredo sauce kind of runny. I like my Alfredo sauce in the middle, kind of runny but kind of thick. So this is the consistency my sauce is at right now, and this is about how I like it. So now I'm gonna add in the noodles, so that the noodles don't continue to cook.
I ride with you, I feel like Scarface. With the bob, I
okay, right now I'm just gonna fold the noodles and fold and mix them and give the sauce.
yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah.
I also put it in a jerk, you know. I don't put too much. I don't want it to be spicy, but I have to taste it. Hey guys, so this is like 2 days later or something. It's currently 7:59. It's currently 7:59 and your girl has school tomorrow. I'm not ready for school at all, so I'm about to let y'all do like a little reset routine slash night routine, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I just got home, so we're about to get ready for school tomorrow. I'm gonna do a get ready with me for school tomorrow, but that's gonna be in a whole separate video, so make sure I stay tuned for that also. But yeah, so right now, as y'all can see, I'm looking a mess. I just got on this Nike sweatshirt, and y'all don't even want to see the sweatpants I got on. It's just beat up, and yeah, and I'm looking a mess. Look at my lashes. So yeah, but I'm about to hop in the shower really quick. Y'all just heard me to come out, but y'all know how it is, like when you want to make it last. Like I'm trying to make it last, and we got spring break next week, so I'm like, you know, I just gotta make it last one more week. I'm thinking maybe I should put a headband on with it. You know what? We about to try a headband. Let me see how that look. I'm gonna try by the way. So I don't know if it's gonna look right with the braids though, but let me see. I think it is. Oh wait, cause it's cute. Or should I put it back like that? Okay, yeah, well, let's just say for tomorrow. Okay guys, so your girl just got out the shower. I took a nice hot steamy kind of long shower. So y'all, if y'all do not use EOS lotion already, I'm telling y'all, make the switch to EOS lotion. It's like the best. It's the best thing ever. Sometimes I might like layer it with oil, but I ran out of my body oil. I was using vitamin E oil or this sweet almond oil, but ain't nothing left. A few drops, but that's all that's left. So I need to get some more, but make sure I am gonna do a get ready with me in the morning. So I gotta wake up like probably only like 15 minutes earlier, so that I could be ready. Because when I'm recording, I know it's gonna take me a little while longer, and I already take long to get ready in the morning. Okay y'all, but now I'm just about to do my lashes. As y'all can see, they need to be done very, very badly. I'm just gonna throw on some deodorant. I was feeling good before I go to sleep, so I always put on some type of perfume or something when I'm going to sleep. Oh, and it smells good, y'all. I just bought this. It smells so good. Oh, it smells good. If y'all know, y'all would have seen that in my last vlog. Ooh.
My bitch scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Long as you dream, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you. if I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just told
Okay, y'all, I have to get to bed, but I did like the more natural eyelash look this time. Usually I have on big dramatic lashes. This time we just did kind of like a natural lash look, and I gotta get to bed. It's 10 o'clock. I gotta make sure that I wake up early enough to do the video for y'all, but I just wanted to show y'all. I'm putting some bond on my lashes. And I just got my stuff ready for school. I will be up in the morning for hours trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear. That's why I gotta get up the night before. But if y'all want to see the rest of my, I guess, school routine, I don't know, go to the next video. Go to the next video if it's up already. But yeah. Okay guys, so I literally just noticed that I never made an outro to this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I post a video. I'm gonna be posted back to back to back to back. And we are on the road to 10K, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends, family, and everybody. Okay, I love and appreciate every single one of y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.